Outdated patriotic decor problems? Hey Party Angel, let's turn that around literally. Today we're creating this stunning 32-inch DIY wine bottle LED firecracker centerpiece that lights up the whole table. I'm your party-loving bestie with 20 years of throwing unforgettable themed party award-winning events. But you know what I love most is helping my friends shine like you and feel amazing hosting or attending any party. So today we're using simple budget-friendly materials you can get from your local craft store and a little star-spangled creativity, as you can see. To complete this project, you'll grab your clear wine bottle and add firework stickers, and then you'll pop in the cool LED lights and the sparkling wire stars, and then you'll secure the battery pack back there with some glue dots. Then you'll wrap and glue the wide and the thin patriotic ribbon and secure it with hot glue. Next, you're going to hot glue the burlap bow and the wooden star, and finally we'll slide in the cute patriotic pennant flag and the 32-inch fireworks sprays to bring it all together. Ta-da! Perfect for your 4th of July party, Memorial Day barbecue, or as a gift for a patriotic hostess. Love this project? Subscribe to Party Theme Angel for more simple theme-inspired party ideas every week. Keep shining. See you at the next party.